A Nigerian YouTuber and Instagrammer by the name of Lilian Okibi has created, hands down, one of the most innovative styles for natural hair. Seriously, it's right up there with faux locks and crochet braids, and that style is temporary locks. Hello and welcome to Naturally High, the channel that helps you grow your 4A, 4B and especially 4C hair to longer lengths. When I showed you all my temporary locks on Instagram back in January, you adored them and many of you asked for a tutorial. If you're currently not following me on Instagram but would like to, then go ahead and follow me right now. My handle is @naturally_high_. Let's get into it. This process is fairly simple. Take a section of hair, plait it tightly at the root. For this tutorial, I deliberately avoided speeding up the plaiting step because I wanted to display as authentically as possible what the process looks like for me. Loosely down the length. And then you can plait it at the end, or you can do a twist. I like to do a twist, I find it easier. This style looks best on stretched hair. My hair is currently in loose twists, which I stretched in these plaits overnight. As I style for moisture, I dampen my hair and apply leave-in, castor oil and shea butter when I think it's necessary. If you're new to my channel and not yet following me on Instagram, the concept of in-between twists may be new to you as well. These are the loose twists I put my hair in especially for washing, with the aim of keeping the sections detangled and retaining my partings. At the time of filming, my hair had been in such twists for around a week. I'm going to disappear and do the rest of this off camera. I'm currently watching Freud on Netflix. I try to watch Netflix series in a foreign language just to stimulate my brain a bit more while doing my hair. What have you been watching on Netflix lately? Let me know. And after over a week of detangling my in-between twists and installing, this is what my hair looks like. These are my temporary locks. Did you know that I didn't start in between twists? When we twist our hair between styling, we are engaging in the same age-old practices as Yoruba women who made Iran Biba with their hair. Thank you, Emma Dabiri, for providing this and other fascinating insights in your engrossing expository work, Don't Touch My Hair. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if not, please give me a thumbs down, and let me know in the comments below whether temporary locks are a style you'll ever try.